Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this morning I saw that my last video for packing list for US is getting more views nowadays, and I just realized that it is the time when many students are coming for fall 2024. So I thought like why don't I make another video for things that should not be packed or not that necessary, because it's been like 2 years and I have already finished my master's. So it is the time. So this video is going to be about the things you should not pack, or don't pack these things if you are like coming to US for fall 2024. So let's get started. Okay, so I have 7 points. The first one is too many passport size photos. So if you have looked my last packing video, I have told you guys that I got like 30 passport size pictures thinking where I would get my passport size pictures, and it will be like hard to get and expensive and all. So I got like 30. Been 2 years since I came here and I have not used a single piece of that passport size photo. So you don't need it. You don't have to bring here when you are making an ID for college or anything. They get your picture at the same moment, so you don't need the passport size pictures. The second point is too many photocopies of the original documents. So I have photocopy machine in my shop in Nepal, and that's why I got too many photocopies for each document, thinking I will need them a lot of the time, but I haven't used any single one of them. So uh, let me assure you, you don't need many photocopies of your documents. I got I think 3 of each document, so you don't need any if you are not satisfied, because I can understand, because we are Nepalese, we have to get photocopies of everything. You can bring each copies of one, but other than that you don't need any of that. So yeah. And the third thing is stationery, copies, pens, and the sticky notes. Especially when I came here, I got 2 copies, one set of pen and lots of sticky notes. In my whole masters in 2 years, I only used one piece of copy, and I didn't use any pen. And the sticky notes, let's not even talk about that, because here the you will print out the notes and you will write on them, so you don't need copies that much. If you want to just take one or two like me, but you can also buy one here, so don't waste your space in your luggage on that. And about the pens, you are going to get lots of pen during the university programs. They will give lots of freebies and all, so you will get lots of pen in those programs. So don't take any of that. Maybe carry one for your use during your travel, but other than that, don't bring any of whole set of pen and all. And also pencil, don't take lots of them. And sticky notes, the same thing. If you are coming as a master student, there will be already lots of sticky notes in your lab, in your and they will give you sticky notes during those programs as freebies, so you don't need any of that from Nepal. And about the electronics, while I came here, I only got my Purano phone. And after I came here, I got this iPhone for the YouTube purpose. I wanted to invest in an iPhone because I am interested in making YouTube videos. for this purposes, and so that's why I invested in iPhone. That was an investment, I would like to say. So if you want to buy an iPhone or like a new phone, you do it here because it's a lot cheaper than in Nepal for the same thing. And about the laptop, if you are a graduate student, probably your professor is gonna buy you a new laptop, or give you like a desktop or something for the work purpose, for the lab. And also you can borrow a laptop for a whole semester uh, each time from the library. So you don't need a new laptop from Nepal, obviously. And if you want your own, you can buy it here because it's cheaper for the same thing. And during like Black Friday in November, you can buy a new one because there are like lots of discounts happening for the electronics stuff. So you don't need those electronics from Nepal, brand new. So save it for the US. Another thing, bed sheets and blanket. So if you are taking like the big blanket from Nepal, I don't know how are you fitting that. Good for you, but let me just tell you, you don't need that here. Know that here in every home there is AC. Even the weather is like in worst condition outside, you will be warm inside. Like if it's even like snowing outside, I will be wearing the same half t-shirts and all inside the home. It might be colder due to like AC than the cold from the outside. So you don't need to worry about the cold seasons when you are at home. What you can do is like get a summer blanket, the thinner and smaller one. And probably if you are coming from Qatar, you will get one of that. But still, if you want to take one blanket from home, you can take the summer blanket. And for the blanket, I got from the ICC. It is International Cultural Center. If you are coming for LSU or any other like university, make sure to know if there is like any such place as swap shop. In LSU there is ICC, which does this swap shop, and you can get free, you can take like free stuff from there. Like we got microwave, mixture, blanket, all the home stuff. And I we saved a lot of money from there. So make sure to check that. And yeah, you don't need the big blanket here. uh, about the bed sheets and pillowcase, I took two sets of bed sheets. It didn't really fit the mattress I was using here. So if you are taking bed sheet, just take a big, like a very big one, just in case you have like a big bed. um, Otherwise you can buy just like one pair, and it will do like okay for you. um and another thing, too many clothing. So first check your weather of the place you are going, and according to that pack your clothing. Also if it's winter, the jacket from Nepal won't do much. I have heard that. I haven't lived in the place where it snows, in LSU. Sorry, in Louisiana it doesn't snow. Like it snows in like 5 years one time, but yeah, I didn't see snow here. And what was it talking about? Yeah, clothing. So you don't need many clothes from Nepal, especially the t-shirts you wear at home, because the universities programs, they will give you like swags, free t-shirts, lots of them. I had like full closet. You can see my spring fall living expo and all that. You can see how many t-shirts I got from those like programs each semester. So you don't need home t-shirts, just bring like four or five for your like beginning stage. So after that you will get many, and also you will do some shopping from Shein, Temu, and everything. So yeah, but bring traditional clothes as many as possible, especially for girls. It's like जति ल्याए पनि हुँदैन, it's less, how how do we say it in English?
Never enough, never,
More is
never.
less. I don't know. Okay. So not too many t-shirts, just many traditional clothes instead of the t-shirts and other stuff. You can buy pants though, because um, the sizes, I haven't even figured out like what size of pant does fit me, because I don't know, like there is only one pant that fits me properly, and I thrifted that, and I haven't got that again. So yeah, you can buy fitting pants, the one you like from Nepal, but other than that, you don't need much clothing here. And another thing, makeup and skincare items. Just take what you have, your existing set. Don't buy a brand new one for the US, because here it costs way less or like equal from there. So don't waste your space on that. Just bring what you have, and you can buy here. The quality is like better here than in the Nepal. So yeah. So, because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna give some bonus tips for you for the packing. The first one is get homemade masalas. So, if you have like mom made special masala for tea, for vegetables and curry and everything, just get that and put the label of the ingredients. Don't buy, because you can buy here in nearby Indian or Asian stores. If you have like special homemade masalas, just bring that, because you're gonna miss the taste of your mom's hands. So yeah, get that. And you can get momoko bada, like small one. Depends on how many seniors do you have in your university, and how close you are going to get with them, because you can borrow their momoko vada if they have. Otherwise, you will save some momos. So yeah, if the space allows, get that. And if you wear glasses like me, just get like at least 5 of them. I am flexing my Acharya Chasma Pasal here. And also, if you are going to get glasses, yeah, get those. And if you are wear contact, get those. Maybe one or two, like the UV ray protective chasma. If you have those, like if you don't wear glasses, you can get that, because you're going to see a lot of screen. And what else? Yeah, and if you are going to buy goggles, please go to Ogle Pick. My brother runs that business. So yeah. And what else? Get some jewelries. If you like gold jewelries, you can get that. I don't know the limit for the gold. You can check airlines and all. Plus, but please, girls, get those oxidized jewelries if you like them, because I love them, and I forgot my one and only necklace at home, the one gifted by my friend. But yeah, thankfully my one junior got me one gift. But yeah, you will not get oxidized jewelries here, not that I know of. So bring that, as many as you like. Other stuff like skincare, makeup, you can buy here, but not that. And the last one, you can bring, because you are bringing the attested documents with you for the for submitting in the graduate school. You can bring 2 sets of that if you are coming for masters, because if you will join PhD, you will need that. Or if you are planning to change university, you will need that. So yeah, better to bring it with you now, because I only brought one with me, and while I was applying for PhD here, I had to order from Nepal once again. So yeah, it's like pain. So yeah, you can bring two sets of that. In the attested documents there is like bachelor's transcript, not plus two if you are coming for masters, just bachelor's transcript and degree certificate. So that's it. And I think this video will help you to pack mindfully. And let me know if you guys have some question in the comment section, or maybe like email or message me in my socials. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.